This tutorial today, I want to show you how to cleaning your data. So every data, when you want to, guys, you want to create your dashboard or you want to build your dashboard, so you have to first to check, double check your website. Make sure everything, there is spelling and dates, everything be correct. If anyone send you or give you a project to do their dashboard, so before you take in the data and then to check inside. So when you understand it inside, then you want to build or you want to do anything, it's very important because you know what you're going to do. This is very important. So first you have to check, guys. So this data is a very huge data. I want to show you. You are also already guys download it. So check it inside. It's a very big data. Look here, this is for traffic accidents. So very big data, and I think the in 99. I think it's very big because I can't show you everything. But when you download, guys, you see and step by step. Look, guys, it's a very big data. This is 1899. You see, so you see. This is a very big data. So guys, go to download. I'm going to put on the description. You are going to also download, but I already guys showed you before in our first tutorials for data analysis in Power BI, guys, artificial intelligence, and okay. So guys, on the left side here, we have at first for reporting views. So here you are seeing all your reports, guys, click. So our all work going to be, our dashboard is going to be here in this area. We are going to create in this windows here. And then in this second, the data views. So this is the data views. This is our data. If you are going to view your data, so you are come to here to view your data, guys, like this to check everything here. And then third one, we have a data modeling. So we have a model for views. So when you have views, so here this area is for multi tables. So when we're creating our dashboard, there's so many tables we are going to use. And also, when you are going to create a big company or big data, you have so many tables, right? So those all tables you are going to handle here in this place. This area you're going to control everything here. You are going to connect it all, tables, and then so you are going to finish your or to complete your dashboard to complete your project. So these guys I want to show you. And then guys, so it's very important. I approach you. You are going to this now. You're going to cleaning data. So how to cleaning data? How to if there's any spelling or anything, a date or any number that is wrong, you are going to fix it. How you are going to do it? Okay, come to here, come to inform here, come to the transform here, click transform data, because bring us another windows, guys. We are going to get another window. You see, when you click it, you are going to get another window. So now we are going to this. So in this window, we are going to change something here. I'll go to into this. Any place you want to go to change, you can change, but let's go to find something else, something good. Okay, come to here, guys, and after that, break it here, click. So selected everything like this exactly. Select everything, guys. Make sure you are selected everything from top to down. This is very important. Then come to here, check. See here. So we are going to remove, or we are going to change, or we are going to filter, or we are going to change something here. So what we are going to change, guys, because we are going to, you see here, guys, promote headers and navigation and so on. When you're going to build, you see so many things here. But here, guys, because we have a filter and we have a filter. So because here there is a spelling wrong. So this is spelling, we are going to fix it exactly like this. We don't want to do this spelling here. How we can do it? So guys, you selected everything like this. Exactly, you select it and make sure, guys, like this. Then here on the top, guys, replace the values. Here, replace the values. This means you are going to replace that, right? And then you see the change types. So come to here, you click yes, then come here, we're going to replace. So it's meaning value to find, that replace to this what we're going to replace. So this is the meaning of right here, film, right? Like this, right? And we're going to film. Now we are going to replace and replace the value. So now we go back. I just guys wait, because it's going to change. So guys, in this way, you are going to change how to clean your data. And then guys, we are going to, in our next tutorials, we are going to how to build or how to creating all the tables. So this tutorial, how you can, because this is the big data, it's uploading, so you have to take it time. And then guys, see you in my next tutorial.